just completed the install of my 10-foot Raptors and my 2026 Triton 20XP. Took me a little longer to do it than I thought because of where I mounted the pumps. As you can see, I mounted the pumps up in the back underneath where the trolling motor batteries are. They just barely fit in there, but it kept the space open in the back. As you can see, I replaced the little door, if you will, with a piece of cutting board that I got from Restaurant Depot. That way I have more of a clear surface without the hinges, and to be honest, that small little opening, you could barely get your hand in there anyway. You'd have to pull the thing off to do any maintenance. This gave me room to put in my second battery. I am running parallel batteries to increase time usage. Eventually I will switch over to a dedicated battery for the electronics. But other than that, this part here, putting the pumps in, was the most pain in the butt. But other than that, it was a pretty easy project.